honorable judges, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurashikin binti Lahu.
Hello, my name is Sarah Dewi Makuji.
Hello, my name is Putri Johanna Nural Zahra binti Jurahman.
Hi, my name is Inshira Najwa binti Rusaid.
We are from SMP Pekan Telipok.
We will be talking about climate action SDG 13. We selected SDG 13 climate action, the urgent global goal to stop climate change and protect all people from its harmful effects.
Right now, our planet is facing one of the greatest challenges, global warming and climate action. Many think this is a problem for another country or future generation. But the truth is, it is happening here, right now, and it starts affecting us, even at school.
Every day, human activities release huge amounts of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane into the air. Our planet has warmed by 1.1 Celsius since the 90s, and Malaysia is warming twice as fast as the world average.
Our school located near a factory smoke and fumes released from this factory add harmful gases, dust, and heat directly into the air around us. We often get hazy air, sore throats, and classrooms that are too hot to study well.
Since we cannot move the factory, we came up with 4 practical steps to reduce extra pollution and protect ourselves. First, stop single-use plastic. Second, recycle all waste properly. And third, save electricity and energy. And fourth, plant more trees as natural filters. And fifth, cut vehicle idling outside school.
One plastic bottle takes 450 years to break down. Burning plastic waste releases toxic smoke that adds to factory pollution. Schools that stop single-use plastic cut waste by 70% in just 3 months.
Recycling uses 40% less energy than making new item. Recycling 1 ton of paper saves 17 trees, so fewer trees are cut down to clean our air. Save energy, switching to LED and turning off unused appliances cuts electricity use by 30 to 45%. Less power needed means less burning of fuels that create the same gases the factory releases.
Plant trees. One tree absorbs 22 kg of carbon dioxide every year, and 2 areas by 2 until 8 degrees. Trees also filter up to 70% of dust and fumes from the factory nearby.
Our own observation and expert. We saw clearly when factory smoke is heavy, air feels hotter, and more students feels unwell. Our science teacher confirmed this extra reduce extra pollution and protect your school from the factory's impact.
All these steps align perfectly with SDG 30. They cut heat-trapping greenhouse gases, reduce extra pollution that worsens, lower local temperatures, and help us to adapt to hotter weather. This is exactly what climate actions aim to achieve starting at our own school.
Now, let's take a closer look at this picture. At first glance, we can see several factories releasing huge amounts of thick black smoke into the atmosphere. The smoke spreads across the sky, creating heavy air pollution that covers the entire city. Below, we can also see many vehicles on the road, including cars, buses, and trucks. These vehicles produce exhaust fumes, which add even more greenhouse gases to the air, accounting for 78% of Malaysia's greenhouse gas emissions. These include electricity generation, transportation, and industrial activities that still rely heavily on fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. Burning these fuels releases large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The second largest contributor is agriculture, with 8% of total emissions. This mainly comes from livestock, rice cultivation, and the use of chemical fertilizers. Next is the waste sector, contributing 7%. Greenhouse gases are produced when organic waste decompose in landfills and form wastewater treatment process. This highlights the importance of proper waste management, recycling, and reducing food waste. Industrial processes account for 5% of emissions. These emissions come from manufacturing activities, especially in the production of cement, chemicals, and other industrial materials. Finally, the remaining 2% comes from other sources, such as fuel leakage and smaller emission producing activities.
Teacher, our school is near a factory. How do our 5 steps actually help reduce the factory pollution and slow down global warming?
Actually, the factory emissions and climate change share the same cost, like greenhouse gases. Your plan to cut waste, save energy, and plant trees is scientifically sound. It lowers the extra pollution, filters factory smoke, and cools your school. So this is exactly how we fight climate change at local level.
Thank you, Chega.
Welcome.
Teacher, as students, can these small actions really make a difference compared to big factories?
Absolutely. Every big change starts small. If every student, every class, every school does this, we cut thousands of tons of pollution together. You are not just helping your school, you are setting an example for the whole community.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay.
If we carry this out for our school, cleaner cool air, fewer sick days, and classrooms that are comfortable to study in. For our community, less pollution spreading and a healthier environment for everyone nearby. For the planet, we lower our carbon footprint and slow down global warming. One small step at a time. That's all from us.